5-story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price and loaded with features. Features also include keyless ignition, iPod adapter, leather seats, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Make a great choice today with the 2016 Sentra. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.8-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, 4-wheel disc brakes, tires, front performance. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, keyless start, MP3 player, security system. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.